Hey y'all, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in this video I have a woodworking tip for you guys. We're going to add a perfect border to scroll saw projects using something that everybody's going to have in their workshop or garage, a simple washer. Using this washer, I'm going to show you how to add borders like around this beautiful deer and rose picture. You see that burgundy border that goes around it, and like this lighthouse cross here, that blue border that extends on the backboard. I'm going to show you guys how I do this with just a simple washer. Let me move the camera over to the workbench and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Over here on the workbench I have a couple pieces of scrap wood, and I'm going to show you guys just basically how this process works. You take a washer, you can have multiple size washers for this tip, but what you're going to do is lay the piece you want to do a border, and in this case it's just a simple block of wood, down. You are going to butt the washer right up to it and just use something to trace around. You can use a pencil, a pen. I'm using a red ink pen, so hopefully it'll show up better on the camera. But what you do is you put the pen in the washer, always keep firm pressure on the piece, and just simply trace around it. You're going to get perfectly rounded corners, perfectly straight lines. And there you go. Hopefully that pops up on camera, but so you're going to have a, so if we was to glue this or cut this out and glue this to the wood, you would have a perfect border about a, I'm going to say about an 1/8 inch all the way around. Really handy tip. And we're actually going to make a backboard. I have a scroll saw piece here that I just recently finished, a Steve Good pattern. God bless our home. And I've got a piece of plywood here we're going to use as the backboard, and what we're going to do is lay the washer down and trace around it and cut out the backboard on the scroll saw, and I'll show you guys how a little bit more of a detailed backboard gets done. And that is about all there is to adding a perfect border on your scroll saw or fretwork projects. Just a simple washer. I have several sized washers laying around here in the shop just for the purpose of adding this border on the backboards. You can go big, you can go small. The key to this technique is pressure on your scroll saw piece. You want to add pressure wherever you're drawing your line, because the washer might want to slide up under the edge of the piece or something like that, and then your lines will get out of whack. But as long as you have that constant pressure and you're slow when tracing around, you will have a perfect border. I think this one is about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. I think that's real good. I really can't remember where I picked up that technique, but I think I read it in a magazine, or maybe my Pa-Paw taught me. Can't really remember which, but it's a technique that I use constantly out here in the workshop. I hope you guys learned something in this short video, and might want to use this technique as well. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. If this is your first time on this channel, please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button. Take care guys, and I'll see you guys real soon with more videos.